Hello students, welcome to the class 4th Social Studies class, chapter number 1, India, a beautiful country. In my previous class, I have told you about the India, its beauty and its culture and tradition. India is a very vast country. Its position is 7th largest country in the world. It is the second most populated country in the world. Its central part is South Asia and the southern part of the India is peninsula. From east it is being surrounded with the Bay of Bengal. From west it is being surrounded by Arabian Sea, and from the south side it is being surrounded by Indian Oceans. And the north side protects the India from very high ranges. There are two Indian islands. First is Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is in Bay of Bengal, and second is the Lakshadweep Island, which is in Arabian Sea. And the Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the mainlands of India. This was all about the last class. Now we will move to the next paragraph of this chapter. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, our country is about 3,214 kilometers long, and from Gujarat in west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east, it is about 2,933 kilometers. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, our country areas is 3,214 kilometers in long, and from Gujarat west to Arunachal Pradesh in east, its area is about 2,933 kilometers. This was about the area of the India. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat west to Arunachal Pradesh in east. India is the widest in the middle and becomes narrow towards the south. In middle, the India is wide in nature, and when we move to the south side, it becomes narrow in nature. Means the south part of the India is narrow. Many countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar and Bangladesh shares the common boundary with India. These are the 7 countries which shares the boundary with the India. It thus creates a distinct landmass known as Indian subcontinent, and these 7 countries creates a landmass which is known as Indian subcontinents. India is known as neighboring countries, not only shares the physical features but also the vegetation, climate, vegetations, culture and economic traits. These 7 countries does not only share the boundaries with the India, it also share the physical features, and not only the physical features but also the climate, vegetation, culture and tradition and economic traits with our India, like our weather, our traditions, our culture and many kinds of economic traits also it shares with our India. So these are the 7 neighboring countries of our India which shares our boundary: Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar and Bangladesh. So students, I hope you all have understood these 2 paragraphs. Now you have to reread it and you have to learn the important lines of these 2 paragraphs, like what is the areas of the India from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat west to Arunachal Pradesh in east, in which part the India is wide and in which part it is narrow, what are the 7 neighboring countries of India, and what is an Indian subcontinent. Thank you students.